Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to begin with a simple yet powerful question. What if everything you have ever wanted is already possible but is waiting for one thing from you? That one thing is not luck. It is not talent. It is not wealth. It is not the perfect opportunity. It is your decision to unlock the incredible potential that already exists within you. Every great achievement in history began with an ordinary person who refused to accept ordinary limits. Every inventor, entrepreneur, athlete, scientist, and leader faced obstacles that seemed impossible. The difference was never the absence of challenges. The difference was their willingness to keep moving forward despite them. Today, I invite you to discover the power that lies inside you, a power capable of transforming dreams into achievements and obstacles into opportunities, because extraordinary success does not belong to a chosen few. It belongs to those who choose extraordinary commitment, the hidden power within. Every person is born with unique abilities. Some people discover them early in life, others thus spend years searching, but one truth remains constant. Your greatest potential after often remains hidden until you change yourself. Imagine a seed buried beneath the soil. At first glance, it appears lifeless, yet inside that teeny seed lies the blueprint for a magnificent tree. The seed does not become a tree overnight, it grows through darkness before reaching the light. In the same way, your challenges are not signs that you are failing, they are opportunities to grow stronger. Growth begins where comfort ends. The moment you decide to step beyond fear is the moment your true journey begins. The power of belief. Everything starts with belief. Before others believe in your dream, you must believe in yourself. Self belief is not arrogance, it is confidence through preparation, learning, and perseverance. Many people underestimate themselves because they compare their beginning with someone else's success. But comparison steals confidence. Remember this. Someone else's success does not reduce your potential. There is room for everyone to achieve greatness. When you replace self doubt with self belief, your actions begin to change. And when your actions change, your future changes. Your mindset creates your reality. The quality of your life is greatly influenced by the quality of your thinking. Successful people do not experience fewer problems, they simply respond differently. Were faced with failure, they ask, what can't I learn? Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? A positive mindset does not ignore reality, it chooses possibility over limitation. Imagine two people facing the same obstacle. One sees a wall, the other sees challenge to overcome. The obstacle remains the same, only the mindset changes, and that mindset determines the outcomes. Success begins in the mind long before it becomes visible in the world. The courage to take action. Dreams without action remain dreams. Ideas without execution remain ideas. Success belongs to those who act. Many people wait for the perfect time, but the perfect time rarely exists. Conditions will never be perfect. There will always be uncertainty. There will always be risk. The most successful individuals understand that progress is better than perfection. Small, consistent actions create extraordinary results over time. Every step matters, every lesson matters, every attempt brings you closer to your goal. Do not wait until you feel ready. Begin. Because Confidence grows through action, not before it. Failure is not the end. One of the greatest mis- misconceptions about success is the belief that successful people never fail. The truth is exactly the possible. Failure is part of every meaningful journey. Every setback teaches something valuable. Every mistake develops wisdom. Every challenge builds resilience. I've imagined if investors had quit after their first unsuccessful attempt. Imagine if athletes stopped training after losing their first competition. Imagine if leaders surrendered after facing criticisms. Progress would never happen. Failure is not your identity. Failure is an event. Your response to failure defines your future. Stand up one more time, then you fall. That is resilience, that is strength, that is success. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is powerful, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline remains. There will be days when you feel inspired. There will also be days when you do not. Your future depends less on how motivated you feel and more on the habits you build. Success is created through daily choices, choosing to learn, choosing to improve, choosing to stay focused, choosing to continue when no one is watching. Discipline transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary achievement. Small improvements repeated every day become remarkable results over time. The importance of lifelong learning. The world changes every single day. Technology evolves. Industries transform. Opportunities appear for those who continue learning. The greatest investment you can ever make is in yourself. Read books, develop new skills, learn from experienced people, listen carefully, ask thoughtful questions, stay curious. Knowledge creates confidence. Confidence creates action. Action creates success. Never believe that you have learned enough. Growth has no finish line. The power of persistence. Many people quit just before success arrives, not because they lack ability, but because they lost patience. Success often requires to consistency over a long period. Every successful story includes moments when giving up seemed easier, but persistence separates achievers from dreamers. When progress feels slow, continue. When obstacles appear, continue. When other doubts you, continue. Your persistence tells the wood that your purpose is stronger than your fear. Success is bigger than personal achievement. The true success is not measured only by money, title, or recognition. It is measured by the lives you positively influence. The greatest leaders inspire others. The greatest teachers create future leaders. The greatest professionals lift others as they rise. Ask yourself every day, how can I make someone's life better today? Kindness, integrity, respect, service, these qualities create lasting success. People may forget what you accomplished, but they will remember how you made them feel. Success becomes meaningful when it creates value beyond yourself. Your future begins today. Many people spend years waiting for the right opportunity, but opportunities often appear only after action begins. Do not allow fear to write your future. Do not allow doubt to control your decision. Do not allow temporary failures to become permanent excuses. The future you dream about is built by the choices you make today. Every morning brings a new opportunity, a new lesson, a new beginning, a new chance to become better than yesterday. The question is not whether you have potential. You do. The question is whether you are willing to unlock it. Conclu- Conclusion. As I conclude, I want to remember three powerful principles. Believe in yourself before expecting others to believe in you. Take action when they take action even when the path is uncertain. Never stop growing, learning, and moving forward. Extraordinary success is not as reserved For extraordinary people, it is achieved by ordinary people who consistently make extraordinary choices. So today, make a decision. Choose courage over fear. Choose discipline over excuses. Choose progress over perfection. Choose growth over comfort. And most importantly, choose to ignite your potential because the world does not need another person who is afraid to dream. The world needs people who are brave enough to turn those dreams into reality. Your journey begins now. Your future begins today. Your extraordinary success begins with one decision. Thank you, and remember, the first of greatness is already within you. Ignite it, nurture it, and let it illuminate the path of your extraordinary success.